What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spray. Another episode of Jay Spray Reloaded. But today I'm doing some LED conversions, taking out them old 46, 51, 46, 56, whatever they call them, and I'm converting them. So I got a conversion kit here. It's a wiring harness for my low beams. High beams already been done. I never did do the low beams because I couldn't figure out the pin out. But this eliminates the need to do that. You just plug this up to the harness on the light, and there's an instruction manual that says for the 2-prong, you just leave the yellow one unhooked, and that should get you right, to say the least. My bad, I can't think right now, I'm tired. But I'm gonna start by unloosening the housing and pull the light out, and then we'll hook it up. This is our original harness, 2-prong conversion kit with the instructions. All right, new headlight, 3-prong, boom, 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 3-prong. But since this is not a high beam, I only need the red and yellow. So, like the instructions say. Damn, bro, fucking shit. Oh, excuse my language. Says I only need the red and the black, so I'm going to insert those. Red, black. Alright, I'm about to go turn the headlights on. Y'all let me know if they work or not. Look like we got some high beam and low beam, look like. Okay, so I got stuff working. I just got to play around with this configuration more. Alright, so I should have high beam and low beam now. And there you have it. All 4 lights are working. Easy, easy. HB4 conversion.
Money on my mind, I'm living rent-free in they head. Ducking from them feds, taking back roads instead. You can't never guess my net worth. Counting up these commas make your head hurt. Full of money, diving in it head first. Had to do that leg work. Yeah, I know they hate to see me.